Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school ID to verify GCash. First, ensure your GCash account is fully registered with your personal details. Then, gather your valid school identification card, making sure it is current and clearly readable. Next, open your GCash application and navigate to the Profile section. Look for the Verify Now option to begin the process. Once you are in the verification section, you will be prompted to choose your identification type. Select School ID from the available options. Carefully take a photo of the front of your school ID. It is crucial that the image is clear, well-lit, and that all text and your photo on the ID are perfectly readable to avoid any delays in your verification. After submitting your ID photo, the application will ask you to take a clear selfie. Make sure your face is fully visible and well-lit, without any obstructions. Following this, you will review your personal information. Please double-check that all the details, such as your name and birth date, precisely match the information on your school ID and your GCash account registration. Accuracy is key here. Finally, take a moment to carefully review all the documents and information you have submitted. Ensure everything is correct and clearly visible. Once you are confident, tap the Submit button to send your verification request. You should then expect to receive a confirmation message regarding the status of your verification within 24 to 48 hours. Congratulations on completing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.